Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And today I am back. I've been away for like around a week. I took a vacation here in beautiful South Florida, but now we are back. Obviously, I traded the last week. So, as you can see, the account is obviously funded account live, um, up $1,451. So, pretty much, I took two trades. Um, Let me show you the dashboard as well. So as you can see over here, select daily funded, 50K. I took a trade on Wednesday, made $568. Thursday didn't take anything. Friday didn't take anything. And then yesterday on Monday, I took a beautiful short. That was actually one trade. I just accidentally let me can it like open up? Okay, never mind. I just took like I wanted to take a short, but I accidentally bought, so I just immediately closed the position and took a short instead. So that's why there's two trades there. I could have made like so much more on this trade, but I'll go over it like real quick. But right now, today it's 10:35 a.m. Literally nothing. The AM session literally opened up right over here and like completely dumped, like nothing, no entry for me at least. Um, and yeah, so let me go over the trade I took yesterday. So as you can see, we had this huge dump. Can it show executions though? It doesn't show executions from previous day, which is kind of annoying. Um, yeah, I guess I can show executions from yesterday. But anyways, so the trade I took yesterday was this one right over here. So as you can see, we have this hourly for value gap right over here. 5 minute for value gap created from it right over here, right? So this is classic matrix model, my classic matrix model, which is literally the only model you need to be making like good amounts of money from trading. So an hourly for value gap, perfect. We manipulate, sweep this liquidity, open up a 5 minute, right? And then uh pre-market. So that was like, so my entry here was a little discretionary. But as you can see, we manipulate into it 925. And then once we closed here, I took this trade. Why is the stop loss over here? Damn. All right. So my stop loss was 25 points. And I think actually my entry was over here, actually. Yeah, my entry was right over here. I'm pretty sure something like that. Yeah, my entry was right over here because I remember my stop loss being, you know what? Let me actually check. Let me actually check my dashboard, my TradeZilla dashboard. um, so I entered. Well, open time 9:26. Yeah, so I opened the trade right over here around this time. So pretty much there was no um inversion over here, but that was just so obvious to me, and technically we had like a CISD over here, but that was just so obvious to me. The draw was so bearish towards this new week opening gap. Now what I ended up doing, unfortunately, so at first I was aiming for, I think, like this low right over here, but I was trading from my phone. So I wasn't trading like on the computer. So I was aiming for this low right over here. And if I hit this, I would have made like $2,000 in the account, which was gonna be perfect, like literally a payout because it's a daily payout account. But anyways, yeah. So I ended up trailing my stop loss aggressively. So once we started being like up, I was up like 1,200, like that's over 2R. I started like trailing my stop loss aggressively. And I think I closed my trade around over here. So my stop loss got hit like on one of these retracements over here for 1.8R. And then I ended up making, as you can see on the account, 800 and pretty much $900. And then like ended up the day like ended up 883. um and yeah, obviously after that the trade kept going and going and going and going, and that was like the most insane entry I've ever caught, potentially netting me like 26R. Obviously, I would never hold it this long, um, but if you hold it to the monthly fair value gap, that's 33R. Like, oh my god, that entry was insane. But I ended up closing it like for a 1 to 1.8, which is look at this, guys. Like, this is like, so on evaluation, you have most of the times you have like consistency rules. So I was not even thinking about holding trades for longer than 1 to 2R. But now when you actually have like the ability to hold trades longer, it's like at the end of the day, it's super hard to like actually, because you see the profits floating, and me personally, I just start choking the trade because I have the money in my like pocket right now. Like, I can close the trade, take the profits, go home. That's like all that matters in trading. So, but you do need to learn how, like, I need to improve on letting my winners run. You know what I mean? Like, I do have some good trades, but I need to learn how to let them run better, because I could have easily held this for like a 1 to 4. And made like around $2,000 instead of making only almost 900, which is, I'm not complaining, but we could have been like up 52,000 right now, like 52,000 on the account at least. But anyways, it doesn't matter, it's fine. Still a banger of a trade. um and yeah, I actually do not remember the trade that I took on Wednesday. Actually, we can have replay over here on TradeZilla, which is pretty cool. Um, Wait, is it like the chart from now? No, that's the, yeah, let's see. I don't even remember what I took here. I gotta be honest with you guys. I don't even remember. Oh, it's over here. Fast forward it. I think I took a short, right? Oh yeah, yeah, I took a short. So I took, is it a 30-second? No. So I took a short over here, and pretty much like I was up like 620, and then I closed here for like 1 to 1R or something. Yeah. Uh Yeah, pretty decent trades. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I'm just taking very, very, very simple trades, and at the end of the day, it's what's working. So the account is up right now, $51,451, which is pretty good. The balance required to take payouts on these accounts is 2,100. So we need to make $650 in order to build the buffer, and then anything above that, we can start withdrawing money. And that is pretty much it. So look, guys, like, obviously nothing is over until it's over. Like, at the end of the day, like, gotta keep trading properly, keep trading, keep being disciplined, not doing like, not taking stupid trades. And yeah, that's eventually what's gonna get you to payout. So, I'm doing this serious right now just to show you guys that I took this account fresh from a 50K eval, and then I'm turning it into payouts. And at the end of the day, one payout covers like a whole bunch of accounts. So, yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the series. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully, when we smash a banger of a trade. Yeah, so thank you for watching.